What is up, guys? The Casey's here with another video, and I know it has been a while since I've made a video. I've been doing a lot of things. I can't make any excuses for not uploading, but I've been learning a lot of cool new things regarding programming. I have been doing a lot of things that I wouldn't have done without the internship, and it's definitely grown me as a developer. I want to start off our new videos with a UI testing video. So I'm working out a few things. Obviously I'm in a new place. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna be uploading the videos. I might change the way that they were created a little bit, but I'm definitely gonna create one for UI testing, which is a pretty big part of coding in iOS. But yeah, hopefully I can see you guys around. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you guys for your support. Drop a comment below. I will definitely be interacting with you guys a lot more, and I appreciate all of your support. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I upload videos about Swift programming generally. Sometimes I branch off to other programming tutorials, but generally Swift, iOS related content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you.